Here's a quick mini tutorial on how to store your tie line like a pro. Once you get a nice amount of tie line in your hand, twist them into a bundle or tie them into a loose slip knot. When you're doing this in mass, like I am today, it's also a great opportunity to pull out any that need to be retired or cut to shorter lengths. That's it. Now that you have nice tie line bundles, it'll be easy for your electric screw to all go to the bucket at the same time, get what they need, and move on. Same goes for strike. When you are all finished for the day, you can easily put all of the tie line that you've gathered back in the bucket this way.